Hi children, today again we are talking about factorization of a quadratic polynomial or quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. So two types, that means general form of a quadratic polynomial. What is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? Okay, a square plus bx plus c, that is the px, is the general form. Quadratic polynomial, this one. Power is 2. Now, here, suppose a is 1, then we can take s square plus bs plus c. This is the first type. 2 or 3 examples, we can do that, even though it is a revision. A square plus bs plus c. When a is 1, s square plus bs plus c. This we can see factorization. We studied s square s plus a into s plus b. Identity, we studied this identity. Remembering the identity? Class 8, we studied 4 identities. Now we are going to study 6 more. Listen here. S plus A into S plus B. S square plus A plus B into X plus A into B. That means sum A plus B. Coefficient is A plus B, sum. And here the product. So from here, it is given, we can go here. That is the way using this identity, we can factorize very fast. That is why we are doing S square plus LX plus, what I can say, this is C. LS plus M or C, whatever you want, you can see this one. LX plus M, no problem. What is L? L is equal to F plus B, sum of the two numbers A and B. Here, this is AB, M is AB. This is product. So, sum is given, product is given. So, you can factorize by splitting the middle term. That is why we are using splitting the middle term. Now, keep in mind this identity. S plus A into S plus B is equal to S square plus A plus B bracket into X plus A into B. All of you, please. Now, it is given. Now, splitting the middle term. Tell me which is the middle term. Yes, sir, 7x is the middle term. I want to split this one. But be careful, look. Here, you know this is A plus B. A plus B, that is 7. Sum of two numbers are 7. Sum of two numbers. If we are adding, 7 is equal to A plus B. And 12. Listen here, 12, you can see this is 12. That is A into B. This is your L and this is your M. That means product is 12 and addition is 7. Tell me two numbers. Many numbers we can say. Yes, sir, 7 is the addition. We can say 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 1, 7. But 6 into 1, not 7, not working this way. 6 into 1 is 6. So we need, that is the product of two numbers must be 12. Logically, we have to think like a puzzle. Tell me two numbers. Two number multiplication 7, addition, multiplication 12 and addition 7. 6 plus 1, sir, multiplication, no, addition. 5 plus 2, 7, sir, yes, 5 plus 2, 7, but 5 into 2, that is 10. No. Okay, 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 into 3, yes, 4 into 3, 12. Got it, we got it. Now our work is over. 4 and 3 are the number. You decide the number. 4 and 3 are the numbers. 4 and 3 are the numbers. Now what to do? You have to split the middle term. That means we can say 3 plus 4, s square plus 3 plus 4, x plus 12. Listen here. Don't touch the other term. Only you are supposed to split the middle term. Understand? Middle term you are touching. Who is the middle term? 7x, 3 plus 4. Your work is over. A is 3, B is 4. A, 3, B, 4. Now the work, put the two brackets. Because this is one term only, that is factorization. S plus A and S plus B. What is the variable x? What is the variable x? All terms are plus your work is over. Take 3, s plus 3, s plus 4. This is the factorization. Very easy, not hard. If this is s square plus bs plus c, that means a is 1. You are splitting the middle term, and factorization is very easy with the middle term addition and multiplication. And two boxes, put the two boxes and write the x and the constant. Now this second one, s square minus 10x plus 24. Look, this question let me try in other next page. S square minus 10x. Second question I'm talking about. S square minus 10x plus 24. Yes. All of you please do this one. Keep in mind, this is s square plus bs plus c. A plus b is given sum of two numbers. Here, that means suppose two numbers a plus b is not 10, minus 10, negative 10. When negative is the be careful, plus minus this one. Then a into b, that means 24. Product is 24. Anything two numbers. Working column, you can please write this one. Here a, b, that means a plus b 10. Many numbers we can say. 2 plus 8, 10. 2 plus 8, 10. But 2 into 8, no, 16. 3 plus 7, 10. 3 sevens are 21. Now, okay, fine. A plus b, I am taking a plus b. A is 6 and b is 4. What is 6 plus 4? 10. 6 into 4? 24. Yes, sir, correct. But here negative 10. That you have to think. Here you have to think logically. So you know that product is plus means both the numbers are negative. Give minus 6 minus 4. Your work is over. S square plus minus 6 minus 4 into x plus 24. Minus 6 plus minus 4. That means minus 6 minus 4. So what to do? As before, two boxes. You can keep two boxes. One box here, another box here. X is the variable, X is the variable. But be careful, what is the sign here? Minus 6, minus 4. So this is the answer. S minus 6, S minus 4. Sometimes plus will be minus, plus and minus you have to take. Only the thing you have to put the two brackets, like two bags, you have to keep the X or Y, whatever be that. Are you following or not? Any problem? Now one more. Suppose this is y square minus, no, plus x minus 90. What is this here? What is the coefficient of? No, it is not x. What is this? That inform me. It is not x. It is y. Y. What is the coefficient of y square? 1. What is the coefficient of y? Yes, 1. And constant minus 90. So here we have to see near numbers because difference we are getting. Here constant we can say minus 90 here. That means plus positive into negative will be minus. Then both the numbers are negative and positive. So we can see 90. What is 90? Many in multiplication 90 is the many things are the 90. 180 into half 90. Now, okay, 9 into 10 90. But here, what is this? 1. 9 plus 10 is not 9, not 90. It is 90. So, it must be minus. So, one number must be 9 minus. I am keeping 9 into negative 10. It is correct 9. But what is 9 plus minus 10 negative 10? That is minus 1. But we want 1. So it is wrong. The coefficient of y is 1. So the big number must be 1. So the number is 9, negative 9 and 10. That is the answer. Because big number 10 minus 9 is 1. So we can do y square 10 plus 10 minus 9y minus 90. Now, as before, put the two bags, or what I can say, two brackets. I am putting one bracket here, another bracket, almost same bracket. Y put here, y put here. 10, I can say plus 10. You can put minus 9, your work is over. Y plus 10 into y minus 10. So, my children, please be careful here. Factorization by splitting the middle term of a quadratic polynomial. After that, you will study quadratic equation. So, y plus 9, y plus 9, y minus 9 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to minus 10, y is equal to 9. Like that, you are getting two solution for a quadratic equation. Now, we are doing the factorization only here. 0 of the polynomial is there. I think you understood this one. So, look fast, because I am going to next concept that a square. What I told, factorization of a quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. Quadratic polynomial. A quadratic polynomial. So a plus b, you can take anything like that. L, m, like that we did. L, something like that. You can substitute s square plus ls plus m. That is addition. The basic thing is the identity for what we studied in class 8. Now, second page. What you can see here? Example 3. Second example. I told you I introduced two brackets, two bags. I put there x, then minus, or plus, minus, like that. Here also we can see two bags within the middle term. I think it is clear, right? Okay. Now, let me go to the second type. That means a square plus bs plus c. Through 2-3 examples, I can explain that. Listen here. Factorization of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A square plus bx plus c. That is the polynomial px. This is your px polynomial. A square plus bx plus c. How can we factorize the quadratic polynomial? By splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. That is not new for you. This 1 week I am always talking about splitting the middle term, splitting the middle term, because it is very important. Like that. How can we do here? Okay, let us start with the example. Here A is not 1. Before I told you A is 1. We can use the identity. Very easy we can do to brackets. Here also we can try, the textbook method, another method. So simple example. Example 1. Let me change the color. Blue. My favorite color. 2x square plus 6x plus 4. This is the polynomial. Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 4. Coefficient of x is 6. Coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient. You know the word coefficient. Here this is a constant. So what to do? Split in the middle term. Yes, we can split in the middle term. But be careful here. Because here A is not 1. 6x is there. Addition is okay, 6. But multiplication, see, be careful, not 4. Here we can see AC, A into C. That is, AC is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8. We have to get 8. And addition as before, A plus B, that is equal to 6. Can you tell me 2 numbers? Okay, I think it's not hard. 6. 5 plus 1, 6. But 5 into 1, not 6. 3 plus 3, 6. These all are 6. But 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, fine. 2 plus 4. Correct. 2 plus 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. So, we can do split in the middle term. Now you can do. Don't touch the first term. That is VAP. Second term. Yes, sir. We can do the second term and doing 2 plus 4. Okay, no problem. 2x plus 4x. Plus 4. Don't change. We are split in the middle term. Hello, dear children. Be careful. Don't touch this first term and second term. Only we are doing operation. This is a middle term. Don't operate this first term and last term. We are operating the middle man. Okay, we are the doctors. Splitting. Okay. 6 means 2 plus 4. 6x means 2x plus 4x. This m is equal to 2m plus 4m. Then 2 into 4, 8. I showed this here. Okay. Now, 4 terms are here. We have to think here. Here. 2x square plus 2x plus 4x. Now, here, one more thing that we had to arrange 4 terms. So, I am doing here 2x square plus 2x. Then, what I am doing? Plus another group. This greenhouse, another, I am not doing green, I am doing another group, that is red house. That means, what is left here? 4x plus 4. Here one group. Second group. Here first group is the class 8 we studied. When 4 terms are there, we had to, for factorization, we had to make 2 groups. 2 group under. This is group 1 green group. This is red group. Now take common from the green group. and take common from the red group. Then after that, put in them in the bracket as before. How can we put? Okay, fine. Listen here. Let me erase this one. I think you did in the working column. This one, this method, you did. I think. Now I want this space. It is not rough problem. Not rough. I don't want next page because I want this one. See, this is the next page, second page. This is the first page. Now what I am talking here? 2x squared plus 2x. I am taking 2x squared plus 2x. 2x squared plus 2x. 2x is here, 2x is here. I am taking 2x common outside. 2x squared divided by 2x. What is left there? X is there. Then 2x divided by 2x. That is 1, right? Yes. What we did now? 2x squared divided by, and taking 2x outside both, from both. You know that 2x squared divided by 2x means cut. X is the answer. X. Then 2x divided by 2x means 1. There is no confusion. Any number divided by same number is 1. So this I can write like this. Now next one. This is green color. No, sorry, red color I did now here. Now another color I use. Maybe blue color. Yeah, 4x plus 4. Again, 4x plus 4. Which one I can take outside? Can I take 4 outside? 4 is not possible. Here x is not the 4 into 4 is divided by 4. That means x. Again, 4 divided by 4. That is 1. So I can write here 4 into s plus 1. Are you following or not? Any confusion, please tell me. Okay, sir, we can see now. Yes. Here also we can, one bracket I put here. Here also one bracket. As a example, I will tell you that. Now what I am telling here. Take s plus 1 common. S plus 1 I took common. Then another bracket, what is there? 2s plus 4 is there. 2s plus 4. That is the answer. No need of identity. By splitting the middle term, you can do this one. Are you enjoying? Yes? Okay, fine. If you understood this, next example. What we did is splitting the middle term, but only the thing A into C. Product of the coefficient of S square and the constant term. We have to get that one. And before we did. Yes? Now second example. All of you please copy this one. Next third page. Let me go to the third page. Page 3. Now common example. 6s square plus 17x plus 5. Same method we can do. Split in the middle term. We are trying split in the middle term. Look here. Mark the middle term 17 and mark the product 6 into 5. A into C, that means 6 into 5. We have to get 30. Then A plus B, we have to get 70. Oh. So 10 plus 7, 17. No, it is not 70. 8 plus 9, 17. 8 plus 9, 17. But 8 into 9, no. 6, 5, 30. 6 plus 5, 12. Okay, we can think about, I want 30. That means here 17, 15 plus 2, 17. 15 into 2, 30. Yes? Okay, fine. So we can take this one, 15 and 2. The number is split in the 15 and 2. Okay, fine. 6s square. Here I am writing this one, 17. 15 plus 2, 17x plus 5. Are you following? Yes. I think no difficulty here. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം. ഈ 17 നമ്മൾ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്തത് 17 കിട്ടണം, പക്ഷെ 6 into 5, 13 കിട്ടണം. 5, 15 into 2, 30. Now as before we can do, what we can do here, 6s square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. Half mark, like that it is coming. Now listen here. All of you, please listen here. Now we have to arrange this one. We have to group this one. Okay. We can try. We can arrange also. Instead that I am writing this one, 6s square plus 2x. I am taking this plus 15x plus 5. And an arrangement because I want to take common. That is why. Here 2 and 5. Now common I cannot take. Same thing must be. Some arrangement like that only. And 4 terms so that we can arrange. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus c plus b. No problem. Communicate associative properties there. Communicative properties there. Class 8 we did like this. Factorization. Now please, all of you please, I am grouping this one. One group. Here, one group I am doing here. 6s square plus 2x. In this group, another group is here, correct? First group, which one I can take? For that, first you have to put the bracket as before. Put 2 brackets. Actually, this method I studied from, I can say, one famous university. She was a graduate. She studied for that. I was the tutor that time in King Fahd University, so Saudi Arabia. For helping only, she told me this method when she is doing quadratic equation. After that, that is long before 2000 something like that. Anyway, you have to put the bracket. I enjoyed this, and all the students I told after that. Many things I studied from the children, from the students. That is why I am telling to you. I am informing you. You will enjoy that. So listen here. I can put the 2 brackets, draw 2 brackets. In this bracket, same, it must be same. Look, 6 and 2, I can take 2 outside 2. I can take 2x also, yes or no? 2x. Here 2x is there, here 2x. 6s square means 3x into 2x. 2x I can take outside. So what is 6 by 2? Here 3x plus 1 is there. In this box, you have to put 3s plus 1. If you are putting here 3s plus 1, dear children, you must write here 3s plus 1. That is why that box. Whatever you are putting here, you have to put here because you have to take common. Now think, yeah, sir, it is not 3s plus 1. 1 is there. Add 5. 5, 15 divided by 5, 3, 3x. 5 divided by 5, 1. Now what is the sign here? Put the sign. That is important. Your work is over, my children. Yeah. Listen here. Beautiful. Her method is very nice. Now, what to do now? Your factorization is over. Yes or no? Yes. Common is here. 3s plus 1. I am taking 3s plus 1 from both. From your bag. 2 boys bag I am taking this rice. 3s plus 1 kilogram. 3s plus 1 mangoes. 3s plus 1 kilogram mango I took. Then what is the, here can you see 2x? Yes. 2s plus here 5 is there. That is the factorization. That means here one term only, multiplication. Factorization means multiplication, one term. Here expanded form. If it is given, this is expanded form. Expanded form is given, you have to factorize. Making fact is multiplication. Are you enjoying? Listen here, 6s square plus 17s plus 5. This is a polynomial. I can say px. This is a polynomial, ps or q or something. Now I am splitting the middle term, 15 plus 2. Because 6 5s are 30, I explained here. Can you see this rough work? As always, rough work will be there. Then 4 terms are there, we are arranging. 2 groups, first group, this is the first group. And this is the second group. Blue color, this is the second group. And red color, what is the green group I am taking? Common outside, here 2 brackets I am putting. Here 2x, I can take 2x. 3s plus 1, when I am getting 3s plus 1, write here, close your eyes and write in this bracket 3s plus 1. And look here. Okay, 5 divided by 5, 1 will be there. Exactly. If you are multiplying 5 into 3x, that means 15x. 5 into 1, that is plus 5. 2x plus into 3s, 6s square. 2x plus 1, 2x into 1, 2x. It is exactly same thing. So we got the answer. Good, no? Interesting. This is the beauty of maths. Now listen, next question. Next one. You can make your own question, doesn't matter. You can textbook many questions are there. You can make your own question. You can tell me your own question, doesn't matter. Look here, another easy question. Third question. 3y square minus, okay, 3y square minus either 5y plus 2. This is py, the polynomial of y, this one. Py is equal to, that is given. How can you do py? Sorry. Okay. Oh, split in the middle term. Mark the middle term. Which is the middle term? Mark it. Minus 5y. And multiplication 3 into 2. 3 into 2, that is 6. You have to get 6 the multiplication and minus 5 the addition. A plus b is equal to negative 5. A into c, that means 2 numbers. That is A into B, I can say AB. 2 numbers, multiplication is 6. Addition is minus 5. Which are the numbers? You can think, okay, fine, that is 6 into 1, 6, but 6 plus 1 is 7, so. Okay, 3 into 2. Then minus negative 3, negative 2. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 5. Our work is over. 3y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 2. I told you don't touch this first term and second last term. They are VIP. You are split in the middle term, this one. Minus 3 minus 2. That means minus 5. Now what I told, you had to group them. One group, this is one group. And Next is another group. I am giving another color, blue group. Now what I told you, put the bracket. Remember who taught me? My student only taught me this one. How many children I informed this one? Many. Lack of children I informed. Please pray for her and for me also. Now what is this 3y square minus 3y? Two brackets here, which is common here. 3 is common, y is common. Yes, y minus 1. Immediately write y minus 1. Don't think too much. Because whatever you are putting in this bracket, in this bag, you have to put same thing. Because common only we can take outside. Common washroom, common ground, playground, common. Suppose you have 5 reals and another boy has 10 real. Can I take 10 from both? No. I can take 5. From here 5 I can take. From here I can take 5. Here 10 is equal to 5 into 2. Understand? I can take like this. I cannot take 10. Now y minus 1. Yes sir, what is going on here? Not y minus 1. There minus 2 plus 2. What you wrote sir? Y minus 1. I have to make y minus 1. I have to write. Then only I can take common. If y minus 1, y minus 2, I cannot take that one. I can make, this is math. I can make this one. 2 is there, I am taking 2. But 2 into y, 2y minus 2. Do this minus sign. Minus 2 into y minus 1. Minus 2 into y, minus 2y plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus. It is correct now. Now our work is over. See? Here, minus 2, you can negative 2. You are taking outside. Can you see the negative? Yes. Now listen here. What I am talking about. After this, y minus 1, y minus 1. Take the bracket, take the bag. Y minus 1. From his bag, y minus 1 mangoes. And her bag, y minus 1 bag mangoes I took. And here what is the 3y minus 2? Again 2 bracket. 3y minus 2. It is the working. Are you following or not? Any problem? I think it is clear for you. Any doubt, please tell me. Anything? I am taking the bracket. I am putting the bracket. Common thing I am taking out. Here don't confuse. Here whatever minus 3y minus 2y is there. I need minus 2y minus 2. Listen here. My negative 2y plus 2. I am taking, I want here y plus y minus 1. I am taking negative 2. Why is that? Then minus, so mu minus 1 here. 2 divided by minus 2, that is minus 1. That is why I wrote here minus 2 into y minus 1. And taking y minus 1 outside, that is 3y minus 2 outside. This outside, inside 3y minus 2. This is the factors. Last one more example, please. I will do from the textbook, I think so, your textbook. That is class 9 textbook. You can see factorize. Many things are there. First one. Okay. 12s square minus 7s plus 1. This is the fifth example, I think so. 12s square minus 7x plus 1. You can do this one. Please do this one. Please. 12 square minus 7s plus 1. Put in the middle term. Mark the middleman. Yes. He marked the middleman. You are the middleman. Minus 7x. So we have to get multiplication. A into C, that is equal to 12 into 1, that is 12. That is product of two numbers. I can say this is product of two numbers. Then A plus B. What is A plus B, dear children? What is A plus B? Yes, negative 7. Now you had to work here. Working column of work. You had to work here. Please. Which are the numbers? 12 we had to get. 6 into 12, but 6 plus 2, 8. Then 1 into 12. 1 plus 12, 13. We need 7. Okay, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 into 4. That is 12. But here is a trap. 3 into 4, 12. It is correct. But 3 plus 4, 7. We need minus 7, negative 7. Okay. So, minus. Both numbers are negative. Negative into negative, positive. Minus 3 plus minus 4. So, our work is over, I think so. As before, we can say, don't touch this and don't touch this boy. Here, the middle man. We can write here 12 and 1, no problem. We can say here 12, 3 plus 4, 3 into 4, that means 12. Let me try this one. So here minus 4 x plus minus 3x. This is the one. Minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Okay, as before, we can try to group this one, grouping. I am grouping this one, red color. This is one group here. Sorry, here one group is there. It is not 1, it is 12. It is the rectangular group. So from here, what I told you, draw 1 and 2 brackets. Remember my student, she taught me. Now here, 2 minus 4. Not 2, this is 12, my dear children, 12. I can divide 12 by 4. I am taking 4 outside. Let me check what is happening here. 4 I am taking. Now 4x I can take. 12x squared divided by 4x means 3x. Here minus 1. If I am getting here, right here 3x minus 1. Don't look here under. We need this 1. Now look here. I need minus 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1 now, minus 3x plus 1. So 3x minus 1. What to do? Take minus outside. Negative alone, no. Negative 1 you can take. Negative what? Negative 3x. Minus negative into 3x, negative into 1. So you have to put 1 there, because otherwise it will make problem for you. Now it is correct. Negative 1 into 3x minus 3x. Negative in negative plus 1. So as before, you come down, you also come down, and taking both of you, listen here, common thing, that is 3x minus 1 in the bracket. Then what is left there? Over 4x is the minus 1 is the put in this bracket. This is the one. I think all of you understood this one. Are you enjoying? It is very interesting, my children. It is very interesting. Here, don't confuse your red color. It is same color, that is blue color, or blue color. 12 is there. Okay. Our question is 12s square minus 7s plus 1. So splitting the middle term, we got 3 and 4 minus 3 and 4. After that, 4 terms are the 3, 2 group, first group and second group. We made this is the second group. Then first group, we are taking 4x outside. 3x minus 1 is the here. 3x minus 1. Same thing you have to write here in this bracket. Then what is left there? You can write 4x minus. You are taking common. Now the common thing take outside and you can take the back to your house. 3x minus 1 mangoes. Then 4x minus 1 remaining. That is the factorization. Okay. So today's class, let me revise again. You have to tell really the first number. First, what happened here? This is square plus 7s plus 5. Before that, we did polynomial, quadratic polynomial, where a square plus bs plus c, that means s square plus bs plus c. Using the fourth identity, what we studied in class 8. A is 1. Now a is not 1, here 6. Then after that product and everything, I introduce you the bracket or the back, and I am taking common 3s plus 1 to home, like that. Okay. Now here, another second, third, fourth one. Here also another example I did. 3y square, then py. So here in the box, y minus 1y, polynomial of y, this one. Okay. Split in the middle. I don't want any confusion because in class 9 now, class 10 also, quadratic equation is there. So you can do very fast because equation and polynomial, you know the difference. Algebraic expression with equal sign, that is equation. 0 of the polynomial is the square root, that means solution of the equation is there. That is the difference. Same method you can do. You will enjoy that time. Now, next one, after that, what do we study? Again, example. This is the another example. 12s square minus 7s plus 1. Then 3s minus, like that. Now, after this, what we can say? I think more are the right. How many pages? Okay, anyway. So, I think you understood. 3 or 5 example I will send you. You have to do that one. Okay? Okay, then. Bye. Take care.